Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage local storage in Telegram on your PC step by step. Managing local storage can help free up space on your computer and keep Telegram running smoothly, so let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. From the menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll down and select Advanced. Now look for the Manage Local Storage option and click on it. This section allows you to control how much space Telegram uses on your device. You can adjust the maximum cache size by moving the slider left or right. Reducing the cache size will help free up storage space, while increasing it allows Telegram to keep more files stored locally. You can also choose how long media files should be kept on your device before they are automatically removed. Select options such as 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 1 month, depending on your preference. If you want to free up space immediately, click Clear Cache. Telegram will show you different categories such as photos, videos, files, stickers, and other cached media. Select the items you want to remove, then click Clear. Telegram will delete the cached files from your computer while keeping your messages and media safely stored in the cloud. And that's it. You've successfully managed local storage in Telegram on your PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram